Good day, folks. Todd Fitzgerald here from Todd Sheds. You may recall back in the fall we talked about potentially offering one or two different brand new models, and we confirmed one style model, and I'd like to share that with you today. Many people over the years have always asked us to have a decent overhang on their shed belly, so they can sit there with a couple of chairs and have dinner and have some cover from the sun. So we've come up with a design where we can extend the truss on the building, and we can go out 3 or 4 feet and accommodate a very nice overhang. And we're going to make a model display for out here on Taunton Road early in April. So we'll touch base again with another video to let you know when it's done and share some pictures. So and we're still working on the second one, but we haven't really concluded what that might be, but stay tuned.